Today I'm going to take you through a few pre-Pilates exercises that will help us connect a little deeper to our breath and to our core. Let's lay down on the mat. Your knees are going to be bent, feet are flat. Just make sure that your knees are in line with your toes. You don't want your knees too far out. Place everything into that mat. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Take your hands, place them onto your rib cage. On your inhale, hold your breath. Exhale. Blow everything out. Inhale, fill those ribs. Exhale. Blow everything out. One more. Inhale. As you exhale, feel the ribs knit together. From there, take your hands, place them onto your mat. Your shoulder blades are open. You're going to take one leg and lift it up. Now, when you do this, you really want to focus on the back of the body and the core and not getting into this hip flexor. So think of this as one connection, one long line. So you don't want to bend at the knee and then just lower down. Exhale, come back up. Now lower down. So as you do this, think of the butt going down and the abs coming up. Lower down and come back up. Have a visitor. Lower down, come back up. Now take that foot, place it onto your mat, switch to the other foot. Okay, remember, hip to foot is one connection. So we don't want to bend at the knee. You're going to find that connection and lower down. Come back up. Lower down. Now, as you do this, push your shoulder points into the mat. Think of your pinky finger even going into the mat. And if you feel like as you lower your foot, you get to a point and your back starts to come off, just stop there. You don't have to go all the way down. And then lower down. Now, let's try it one more time. Find that connection. So squeeze the butt, pull the abs in, and then lower the leg, lift the leg. 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 Good. Now lower that foot. Other side. Here we go again. Lower the leg, lift the leg. Lower. So when you come back up, find this lower ab that's really helping draw the knee towards the chest. Kind of like in the ab series that we do. And then last one. And rest. Okay, now you're going to take both feet, draw your knees into your chest. Now from here, really think about pulling the tailbone down so that you don't have this arch in the back. If you got a little bit, it's not a big deal. But we want to keep the knees together if you can. And then slowly lower, 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 and then come back up. Now each day might be different. Some days my back's tighter than others. So now this becomes a little bit more tricky. And then if there's certain things that maybe you've done to aggravate it, now you really only want to use the abs to help lower this. And then if you go wide with your legs, sometimes that might be better on your spine, you know, but one leg might be stronger than the other. So just play with it and see. But really just think about lowering with the abs and come back up and lower with the abs and come back up. Place both feet down. Just give yourself one shoulder bridge. Open up the back a little bit more. Roll it down. One more, lift it up. And roll it down. Good. Find that tailbone, press it into the mat. Now, bring your legs together. Your knees are connected. You're going to reach one foot up. Now keep reaching. So you're reaching the foot across the room. You're going to hold it there. And you're going to count 5, shoulders back. I like to roll mine in. 3, 2, 1. Pull the abs in. Now lower down to halfway. So ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go down towards your ankle. Squeeze that butt. So this is helping us connect to the back side. 3, 2, 1. Now we got to go back up, middle of the leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go up a little higher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the foot and rest it. Next side. Ready? Reach the leg long. Hold it there. Try to reach out of the hip. Fingers press into the mat. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down towards the middle of your thigh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Ankle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then rest your foot. Good. Find that all 5 toes and your heels connected to the mat. Bridge it up. Hold it there. 5. Squeeze the butt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll the spine down. Okay. From there, just take your hands, keep them down by your side, but lift them up to hip level. And then hold it. 1, 2, 3. Abs are in. 4, 5. Lower them down. Lift it again. All the way up to hip level. 5, 4, 3. Push the abs even deeper into that mat. 2, 1. Lower them down. Let's add the head. So now you're going to lift your hands to hip height. Curl the head, neck, and shoulders. Abs are in and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower it down. Now we're going to count to 10. Inhale it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press the tailbone down. 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower it down. And then let's do it again. Except this time we're going to pump the arms. Inhale, lift it up. Hold it. And pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And lower it down. Good. Now, let's try it one more time, except this time, reach your legs long. Just like you did earlier, you want to lengthen through the side of that leg as you had it extended. You're squeezing the back of the butt. Inhale. Arms are up about the hip distance, about a little higher. Curl your head, neck, and shoulders. Click your heels together so you feel the connection between the back of the body. And pump. Inhale. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower it down. Now, we're going to try it for 2 sets. On your inhale, curl everything up. If your neck hurts, just leave your neck down. And you want to curl from almost like right below your rib cage as you curl up instead of feeling like you're curling from the shoulder blades. Ready? Inhale up. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 5. Again, let's get one more in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. And rest. Good. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Put your hands back onto your ribs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Now, you're going to slowly take one knee, push onto your right or left side, and then slowly roll yourself back up to a seated position. And that was a quick minute or 2 just to get your body flowing, to feel good. It can be like a little warm up before your mat work, or just a way you need to go throughout your day and just need a little movement. Hope you have a great day.